Glam Squad presents Top 9 Natural Cleansers for Clear Skin. 1. Chickpea Powder and Turmeric.
Chickpea flour has been traditionally used as a base for skin-purifying face packs. The antioxidant and antimicrobial properties of turmeric powder can help lighten any dark spots on your face, boost acne treatment, and leave your skin feeling cleansed and fresh.
2. Milk. Milk is an effective facial cleanser and makes your skin soft. It contains compounds that can improve skin barrier function. This, in turn, improves skin radiance and overall skin health. 3. Cucumber and curd. Curd soothes the skin. The bioactive compounds in cucumber can help eliminate age spots and blemishes and provide skin rejuvenation. This can leave your skin feeling moisturized and healthy. 4. Honey. Honey exhibits emollient, humectant, and soothing effects. It not only provides skin hydration and slows down wrinkle formation, but also regulates your skin's pH. This makes your skin look young and glowing. 5. Oatmeal Facial Cleanser. Colloidal oatmeal is an amazing facial cleanser. It possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help eliminate dryness of skin. 6. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains lauric acid and possesses moisturizing properties, thereby eliminating dryness of skin and promoting clearer-looking skin. Coconut oil can also help you with makeup removal and double cleansing if you do not want to use micellar water. 7. Yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid that helps with skin brightening, moisturizes your skin, and helps alleviate dry and dull skin. 8. Lemon. Lemon contains ascorbic acid that can help eliminate excessive pigmentation and blemishes from your face. This improves your complexion and makes your skin clearer. 9. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties and contains acetic and malic acids. Malic acid, on the other hand, is known for its exfoliating properties.